Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Catherine and today I'm sharing another episode of me learning how to drive a manual. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you subscribe and stick around because I have more videos coming very soon of more driving adventures. Until next time, take care. Bye. I want to be a good driver tonight.
You will be. We are practicing driving down to the shops. Why are you panicking? You were driving, you were going.
Not enough.
Now you've made it worse because you're on a hill.
I know, but I can use my hand. Oh! Okay. Now, I've got the handbrake on because I got a hill start. So what I do is I take my foot off the brake.
Yes.
I find the clutch point, or I start accelerating.
You found the quiver?
Yeah.
Alright, take the handbrake off.
What happened?
You hadn't reached the quiver point.
Okay. So if I haven't reached the quiver point, I'm gonna reverse back into people and I'm gonna crash into their cars.
And burst into flames.
I should never have put the videos up because I feel like quitting.
There it is. Revs. Handbrake off. More revs. More revs. More revs. Oh. Oh, that's good. That's third. That's good.
I don't think I can go down Birmingham Road.
It's easy. It's just brakes.
Yeah, but what about at the bottom when I have to go and there'll be people behind me?
That's even easier. You just roll. Pull it up. You can take it out of gear and take your foot off the clutch to chill. Now, on this hill, you can start it in second. It's that much of a hill. First it is. Second. 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 Third. Pull it. You need to come way down. So let's think about fluffy bunnies.
I don't know why I'm so nervous.
And the problem with starting in first, it's very abrupt. So second is smoother. Especially because you're negotiating an intersection straight away. And you were trying to change to second when you could have already been in second. It's just easier.
That was very, going around the corner and trying to change gears as well. It feels like, you know, putting the clutch on feels like I'm braking.
No, you're not.
I know I'm not, but I'm used to just a go pedal and a stop pedal.
Yeah.
So my left leg moving is I'm stopping and I'm gonna have to start all over again from first and I'm gonna stall and I'm gonna get people be angry at me and I'm gonna crash. Changing gear, I have my mouth hanging open.
Well, I wouldn't worry about that. That's the least of your concerns. Putting it into first at speed is concerning for my little engine and gearbox. So we need to come way down.
And drive the whole way to the shops in first.
Incorrect.
Why not? It's possible, isn't it?
It's possible, but it will harm my engine as well.
Oh,
Revving the guts out.
I'm not in gear anymore?
No, I'm just chilling.
It feels like I am.
Why not?
Okay, so I'll take my foot off the clutch.
You had your foot on. But yes, we do need to calm down. I think you've built up this trip to the shops mentally too much. Like, it is just driving, and you have been driving a lot. But I think because we're not on back roads and stuff,
Yeah.
you're not.
The protection of the back roads.
You're worried about traffic and stuff.
Maybe I could become like a professional person who drives on all back roads throughout all of Australia. And I could write like maps. I could do wombat rescues and recoveries of native animals.
In first.
In first, or what's the other one I like? Fourth.
We're going to get to fourth.
I like going from first straight to fourth. Like I saw a poster once. Somebody had a poster. I'm a mature person learning how to drive a manual. Please be patient. Thank you for your kindness. And they were in like an old Plymouth type vehicle. Probably doing that straight shift thing you tell me about.
Column
Shift.
But not too quickly, because you might be able to go again. These guys clutch in.
My clutch is in.
Cool. All right, you're in second. You might want to go to first. Yeah. Oh, that was good. Up to second. Concentrate on your third. Let it do it. Okay. You don't want to go to first again.
What am I doing?
Up to third. Yes. Nice.
You know what I did then?
Let it do
felt it spring.
Yes.
I felt it sort of snake itself.
Yep. It wants to go to the middle. It wants to. Good job. Good job. We're cruising.
We've recovered.
Covered.
My biggest fear.
Overcome fear.
My biggest fear is actually me yelling at you really badly and portraying myself as heinous biatch.
I can handle it.
Yeah, but I should be kind to you because you're a saint.
Watch traffic.
I'm watching,
Keep
I've
going.
got my indicator on. I used my head
Beautiful.
and the stuff inside my head.
You're still a bit wide on corners, I think, because of the van
It's the van.
mentality.
It's the van. We got really cool mags on the van, and I'm terrified of scrubbing. I think that's the terminology we use.
Got a rash.
Got a rash. And these mags,
Trash.
rims, they're trashed. Not by
Previous
me.
owner.
Not by me. Yet, I actually think that it's impossible for me to scrub them because I'm so far away from the gutter. Okay, what do I do now?
You probably cruise all the way down in third.
What am I in?
You're in third.
Okay. My indicator's on.
And go
feeling
down to
peaceful.
second for this corner.
Oh, so now you tell me.
Beautiful.
Oh, that was seriously, I nearly cried out a prayer to the Lord.
That was good.
And at the corner, I want to get down to second.
Yep.
So first is mostly just a starting gear.
Oh, yes. Yep.
And can I do that now?
Yeah. That'll probably put you in. Yeah, that's better. Clutch out. Yes. A bit smoother, thanks.
I forgot about the clutch. I'm sorry, alright?
Alright, you can cruise around in second. No clutch needed. Just don't go too slow because you'll feel the engine dying.
Oh, stupid wipers again!
Clutch in. And just let it roll. Yeah, nice. One more click down, please. Take it out of gear. And then foot off the clutch. Handbrake. Your first drive to the shops.
Going to the shops today. Going to the shops today. Oh my goodness.
We're not actually shopping, are we?
Ciggies and beer. What else?
I think you need tequila.
I need... What would I eat in this very seriously stressful situation? Nothing, because I'm too busy stressing.
What would you eat? Cocktails. Pina colada.
I drove to the shops. We live like a couple of kilometers from the shops. How many Ks would you say?
4.
We left 4 hours ago.
4 hours, 1 engine, 3 transmissions ago. We made it.
Why are we taking the signals off?
I thought we'd go in for a break.
Okay, we're going in for a break. We'll be back when we're back. Okay.
Handbrake is on.
Okay.
So if you just let go of the brake now, it'll roll.
Let go of the brake, but leave the clutch completely depressed.
Yep. See how it started to roll?
Bring the clutch up.
Clutch up to quiver point, and then clutch back in.
I see no point in going to second if your heel is this close.
Yeah, well, other than the fact that first is kind of jerky.
But I am freaking out because there's now somebody behind me. Am I still in first?
Yes, I have not touched it. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Up to second. We want to be in second for doodling, remember? We're just doodling
Second
around
for
town.
doodling.
Yeah.
And I'm going to come out on a roundabout. And I'm going to go around that in fifth.
No, you're going to check for traffic.
What am I in? Second.
You're in second.
I want to go straight through here. Do I need to go down to first?
No, you might not even be able to stop. You might not even have to stop. Yeah, just keep cruising.
I am looking, everyone. I'm looking. I'm looking. I've still got my eyes open. I am
Get up to
looking.
third. And remember to let it do it. Nice. No, no, no. You had it.
Sorry.
Nice.
I'm
Up to fourth.
down to fourth.
You
Thank
can't
you.
think like that. I've really got to stop you.
What? It's the only way I know where the stick goes. Can you see how for
Maybe we're going up the gears.
up to fourth,
To higher gears, yes.
express to fourth?
The only dramas I foresee
It has to be completely pertinent to me getting up that hill.
is turning up Birmingham. If you come to a stop there, it's quite an uphill. It'll take a bit of clutching. But you need to have a good relationship with the clutch. Don't be scared of the quiver point. Let's see, is it better or worse?
What gear do I need to be in to get up the hill?
Probably second.
So do I go down now to third?
No, you're ages away.
I'm not.
Well, if you want, but it'll be jerky down.
Tell me what to do.
Go to third. Straight up. Clutch out. Indicate. Down to second. Clutch out. That is fourth. Don't change, don't change.
What do
You'll
I
run
do?
out of puff. Just put your foot to the floor. Is your foot to the floor?
It's precedent! Come on!
There's no turbo down this low.
Oh,
There we go, now we're getting some turbo.
I don't like this whole you've got heaps of space when it's literally 15 meters.
Well, you need to be changing the gears quickly. So if you did it quickly, you would have been in third way
I
too early.
did quickly on the corner. I just went into fourth. I would like to note that for a video record that I did do it quickly, unlike the other corner where I don't know. What do I do now? I'm in fourth.
Down to third. Down to second. Indicate. Wrong way. Clutch out, please. Thank you. And third.
have a gear stick. Seriously, sometimes I feel like writing hate letters to Volkswagen for not making the car easier to drive.
There we go. And
I looked, I did, and I indicated.
now we're going to go up the driveway. Remember what I told you?
I don't remember anything.
Go over to the side, the wrong side first, and then turn in. Remember?
Remain in
And
second.
stay in second. Yep. You can go around this corner in second. You're miles away from the corner.
Well, I deeply apologise, but I'm kind of
Now
driving.
go down to first. Slow down a bit. Don't brake, slow down. Just let the car roll. You're not in first. Alright, you want to go over there and then in. Now. Yes. Go. Yes. Clutch in. Let it roll. Don't break it. Yeah.
Question is, did I make it home in less than 19 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, and I had my shoes on this time. Somebody did mention maybe have no shoes on for the whole feeling point, but I think actually legally you have to. Technically, you probably shouldn't even have thongs on or flip-flops, because the whole enclosed toes crashing. I actually think if I have an accident, it'll all be the back of the car that's affected. So I still think my feet would be fine, but I don't know. I haven't tried that, so sorry. But maybe next time.